How to make money online? On this topic, you'll find millions of videos on YouTube, but honestly, 90% of those videos are misleading. In this video, I'm going to share 3 genuine ways to make money online, and these are methods that I have personally used myself. In fact, I bought this PC setup and phone just by following these methods. The first method is quite popular and may take up to 6 months to learn properly, and that is freelancing. But with the second and third methods, you can literally start earning money from tomorrow itself. So let's begin with freelancing. In freelancing, you do some work for a client, and in return, they pay you. But to start freelancing, you first need to learn a high-demand skill, which can take a minimum of 6 months. Along with that, you should have a decent phone or a laptop PC. But don't worry, I'll give you an alternative solution for this in the second method. Also, our next video is going to be a freelancing masterclass. So do subscribe if you want a full breakdown of freelancing. Now let's move to our second method, which is selling. But the problem is, what should we sell? Many of us don't even have a product of our own. Well, the solution is you can sell financial products. Where do you get them? It's simple. On the Play Store, there are financial product selling apps. For example, I found one called Gromo. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description. Once you download the app, just verify your phone number, enter some basic info like name, email, ID, and qualification, and sign up. Now let's see how to earn money from Gromo. Suppose you, someone in your family, or even one of your friends wants to open a new bank account, buy insurance, or take a loan. All you need to do is send them your referral link. As soon as their product gets approved, you'll receive your commission directly in your bank account. And the payout system is actually pretty good. Opening a savings account can get you up to $3, $4 commission. Referring a credit card can earn you around $25 commission. On insurance policies, you can even make more depending on the premium. For example, I was thinking of opening a new account in Kotak Bank just to keep my YouTube earnings. If I do it through my Gromo referral link, I can get a $6 commission just from that. That's enough to cover my phone recharge expenses. And if you get a few family members to open accounts, you can easily make some really good extra cash. Even helping your friends and relatives can earn you enough to buy a new phone just through referrals. Question 2. Do you divide your income strategically? Surprisingly, 49% of people earning over $100K still have nothing left at month's end. The missing piece? Income split strategy. Here's my recommendation. 50%. Essentials, housing, food, utilities, transport, healthcare. 30%. Wants, restaurants, gaming, social events. 20%. Investments, not just savings, but assets that grow or produce passive income. Stocks, real estate, skills, collectibles. Yes, this works, but it can be slow, decades slow. That's why you need an extra income stream. Question 3. Do you have a side hustle? A side hustle accelerates everything. Imagine earning just $1,000 extra per month. If invested at 7% annually for 28 years, that alone becomes $1,038,688. But I already work full-time. Why should I? Well, if your salary is low, either your job isn't valued or you're being underpaid. If it's truly unfair, switch jobs. Otherwise, build value through a side hustle. Freelancing is a great path. If you're in marketing, you could consult small businesses on weekends, charge for your time, $30 $200/hour, or better, charge for results, like a percent of sales from clients you bring in. That way, income potential is unlimited. No skills? Learn one. There's no excuse. Question 4. Is your money working for you? Here's the truth. You need to invest. The S&P 500 has averaged 13.6% returns over the past decade. Long-term, no one who held an index fund for 20-plus years has lost money. Use the right account, Roth IRA in the US, Stocks and Shares ISA in the UK, to protect gains from taxes. Many platforms allow fractional shares so you can invest with as little as $1. One of my favorites is Trading 212. They even offer free stock for new users. You can invest in funds like Vanguard's S&P 500 ACC and automate monthly contributions. Of course, investments can rise and fall, but long-term, this is how wealth is built. And if you're not ready to invest, you can at least park money in accounts paying decent interest rates, 5% plus as of recording. So how many of the 4 questions did you answer yes to? If it's all four, congratulations. You're firmly on the path to wealth.